Sibia and nanum si Brian and who say evidence. Intia was say me about independence. Ghana for young or different pushing about good defenders. Sanya san as me be say there's the time for vengeance. In the year 1820 na brofuchi ye mugu. Some be fear sika kokowa. No ma bre ye duku. Omochi ye mani kyo omutiri Davi Madekuku. No mo di omakonko asumo brenia mani hunu. Inti chale koye say na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ehunu se kunkunti. Enim go asibike Nkrumah. Ontina ho ma brofo mo mpedware me fire nkowa. Inti was say yetimi konjo mani su omanchirima. Anchebian and Mrene son year 1957. Battle between Tiabo friend AK-47. Ghana for one entire fin ya brofas ye ko wedding. Enyan tadien ye diku de hiane de ne hoden. Inti chale Anchebiana beshe ya diem in 3 days time abrofosi ankubiem. Ghana for do na win as ni na yem. On the 6th of March, Kwame Nkrumah kasem, Ghana, beloved country is free forever. Ghana, beloved country be no palaver. Ghana, beloved country love one another. And Juana and Brother Strong G is the best rapper. Kwame Nkrumah started a memo Ghana for any stay cool. Ankara sena memo ngona to see a feature appears. Ne fefo soldier for no boano to omo 10 tam tools. In 1966 Ghana experience cool. Ankara be no kwano. A free faba betwaso. A free febu ne mino. Ole no tu ni free so. Elections and so by no kufuado ni buzia ne si so. Ne ka se cool ne jai no. E champion to omu free so. No mind ni mo ya shu nti Ghana for dwane akwa gegi. Ukutanche de nam town so still wunya kinki. O man ne nkone nim ejina fa ko bo akokompe. Ne yesi kudi ta na saba. Wan na ye ya jeje. O ma ye to oba yiliman sada nko da adre. Ne fie nkoko nya toy ne kranke to enyankwe ne kokrafo aya soe samre ne rakin coin into tu na ban ni guye mra na bro nyanson year 2000 na Mr Sexy Eyes ye to abayi je ko ene ne vice 2018 who say prof standard tries Tigana for the sympathy ni pity man a chance fofie antoata ena ataja ye kwanso onyankopon so man foforo wosoro nti omedi so na enyanko yesi
illest lyricist, you know me right. God is in Hell's Kitchen, the devil is losing appetite. When it's hip hop I go ham and I eat afro. When I'm on a diet, ham Aphrodite, I come through both, I'm Aphrodite. Long as my pocket puff, daddy, it's no biggie if I'm not biggie. Body bag, body, mute bodies, we listen to soul. I'm good, meaning I'm God, plus James Bond. Cause good is just a God that has been double owed. Killer flows, that's why I tell them I still sits, then I sit still. If y'all doubt that the boy ill, then y'all trying to make it to the promised land without knowing Moses is real. It's real, put it together, that's Israel. My mindset, till I get a beat by Dre, I'll never get my headset. If I spill my dreams, I wipe the floor with reality. They said I'm on cannabis, my fashion is magically put on hell and appear in heaven cause God did the laundry. Meet myself and tell myself that I'm a stan. Eminem story, take a peep at the boss. Y'all know I'm just great, let me talk to myself. L, you an icon, yay. And if rap was game, you would shine with no sex tape. But whatever they do, they can't stop your Ray J. Ghana, that's the dream team, my songs are like pussy. When it comes to licking it, even a pastor will sin. Out of 10 African rappers, only one will come close. Makes me a goat with 9 lives, that's why this cat's jealous. I just wanna go and get me the dough. When all of your rappers are over the dose, my food and you snoozing, I never dose. Producing you muting, this is the code. I'm popping the cap on the rappers. You know it is an option to cop me the dollars. You know it is the reason why I run up on the features. And I'm telling you that nobody in Africa defeat us. 50 don't have a cent on me when it's the lyrical job. But the rhyme sweet, my flow so take y'all to the candy shop. Beast.